Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll talk about serial numbers. So, usually serial numbers are unique. For example, you have a laptop that will have a unique serial number so that your support can know exactly which laptop you hold. So, in the similar fashion in finance and operation also, we can leverage this functionality. So what I'm going to do, I will create a new release product named as laptop and then we'll assign serial numbers to it so that it can be uniquely identified later. So let me go ahead and create a release product. So I can go to my product information management. I can go to my release product. I will create a new product. I can say this has my laptop and here I can select my model group, my item group. So this would be let me go with this only. Storage dimension group, let me say site and warehouse. And inside our tracking dimension group, I will need to create a new dimension group. So that would be specifically for my, you can say this as my serial laptop. Okay, only this much is, I can only hold this much content. So I will say lab lab here. So I can specify a description here. Serial number for laptops. And I can save this. And now here I will need to select this active. Okay, and further here check this particular option. So if you see here, select this option to indicate that the item of quantity consider preference. So basically this will help us, so basically no two item numbers should have a same serial number, so this will prevent from happening that. So this should be ticked. And now my release product is ready, so I can search for my serial of laptop here. And here we go, I can simply click OK here. Alright, and now what I can do, let me create a release product here, not release product, like purchase order. So I can create a new purchase order here and let me select my vendor account. So this is my purchase order number. Let me save this. 134. Go back. Click OK. And first thing is that let me save this particular purchase order. I may need to use it later. Let me store it in Notepad. Now here I can select my item. So I've created a item named as my laptop. So here's my item. I can specify my site and warehouse. I will say I need 3 quantities. Okay. So now let me go ahead and quickly register this. So I can say registration. And now let's click on add registration line. Confirm registration. So it will give me error as usual. Okay. It says that inventory dimension serial number must be specified. Okay. Now here we haven't created a serial number, so let me go ahead and create serial number quickly. I can, so here my item number is automatically populating. So I can say this as my laptop A. Okay. I can save this. And let me select this. Let me cross it here. Confirm registration. A quantity, oh, so, okay. So we have checked that particular option, right? So basically the 3 quantities, they cannot have the same serial number. So what I'm going to do, I will say create serial number. Here I can specify my formats. For example, let me say I need in this format like let me call my name dash, and I need it in this format. So it will come like Sagar dash 010203. Let me click OK. So here you can see automatically the serial numbers are generating for me. So I can click on my confirm registration here. Okay. And now you can see these serial numbers are there. I can save this. I can come back. Okay. So let me go to my release product again. Release product. And it was my laptop. If I will go here, if I will go to my on-hand inventory, so you can see my serial numbers here, Sagar 01, 02, 03. This is in ordered, and this reservation here. Alright, now let's see how we can achieve the same thing using the automatic process. For that, I can go to my manage inventory, my serial number group here. I can click on edit. Okay, so I save your details here. So here I can reference from my other serial number as well. So let me go ahead and create my own. I can say this as my serial for laptop, serial for my laptop, serial numbers for my laptop. Okay. Here I can create my own number sequence. And let me select this. I can go to my number sequence here. And here I can see that I need serial numbers in that format. Let me add a constant here. So it will be starting like SAG, okay, and dash, okay, and then let me remove this this medicine A remove. Okay, so I will get a format like this. Let me make it continuous. Okay, so the next would be 56. Okay, yes, and let me come back. Okay, now here also you can specify this. It should be 1 because you need each laptop to have a unique serial number. So what I can do, I can go to my all purchase order now. And this is the purchase order that I have created a few minutes back. Oh, I think I forget something here. Let me go to again release product. So here I haven't yet linked my a new serial batch number group. Sorry, serial number group here. So it was serial laptop, and let me save this. Okay, now I can go to my purchase order quickly, and I can search for my that purchase order that I created, and I will open this. And now let me again add line, so I can add my line. That is my laptop product. And here let me select my site and warehouse. And let me say that I'm interested in 5 quantities here. I can say save. And now let me try to register. And here if you are coming here, you can automatically see you're automatically getting it right. Our number sequence was starting from 56, so I can add registration line and I can confirm. Okay, so these are confirmed now. And now if you will go to your release product, and now here if you will go to on hand, okay, so you can see all your serial numbers. These three were created automatically, whereas no, sorry, these three were created manually, where I clicked on that create register line, but whereas all these were created automatically. Now serial numbers again are very important because they will help us to uniquely identify our mostly our either electronic product, okay, or it could be a special kind of product, different kind of product as well. This is how you can use. Now there is one more combination where we can leverage both batch numbers and serial number all together. Let's say you are developing medicines, okay, or let's say even you are developing laptops or a particular product. So you want every product to be unique, okay, that will help you in tracking. Similarly, you may also want to track the same item with your batches as well. For example, whatever production is done on a particular day, that could be your batch, and how many production or how many individual products you have created, that could be serial. So thank you for watching this video.